Hello everyone and welcome back to How to Daily. Today, I'll show you how to use WebSim AI to promote your product affiliate links through blog content. This is a great way to drive traffic and boost your affiliate sales. So now let's get started. First, make sure you have your affiliate links ready. These links track sales and leads from your promotions. Next, open WebSim AI in your browser and log in. If you don't have an account, you will need to sign up first. Navigate to the content generation section, enter keywords related to your product like fitness gear or home workout. WebSim AI will create a blog post around these topics. So once you have your blog content, find natural spots to include your affiliate links. Mention the product in recommendations or reviews and link back to your affiliate URL. Now, Now, publish the blog post on your site or platforms like Medium or WordPress. Share the post on social media and through email newsletter to attract more readers. And that's how you promote affiliate links using WebSim AI. Now, if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.